Voxility VPN is a service that has been gaining attention, but is it really worth your investment? If you're considering using it, there are a few things you need to know before pulling the trigger. Stick around to the end, and we'll also compare it to some of the other top VPNs to help you make a more informed decision. First up, Voxility VPN offers a solid level of privacy, which is crucial for anyone concerned about their data online. They claim to have a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that your browsing history isn't stored, unlike some competitors that may keep user data for marketing or legal reasons. However, always keep in mind that no one can guarantee 100% privacy, so it's important to consider the country the VPN is based in. Next thing to consider is performance. Voxility VPN has decent speeds, but they're not the fastest on the market. While you may be able to stream or browse without significant lag, if speed is your main concern, you might find competitors like ExpressVPN or NordVPN offer faster connections, especially if you're into high-speed activities like gaming or 4K streaming. The third thing is the server network. Voxility VPN has a relatively limited number of servers, with most concentrated in Europe and North America. While it's enough for most users, it's definitely behind competitors who boast servers in more countries, giving you better options for bypassing geoblocks or maintaining privacy. The fourth thing you should know is device compatibility. Voxility VPN supports most platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. It also supports router installation, which is great if you want to cover multiple devices at once. But if you're a user of less common operating systems or devices, it's worth checking their compatibility in more detail. The fifth thing to consider is pricing. Voxility VPN isn't the cheapest option out there. While it's not the most expensive either, if budget is your primary concern, there are alternatives like CyberGhost or Surfshark that offer more affordable plans with similar features. The sixth thing is that they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is always reassuring. You can try the service risk-free and decide if it suits your needs. But keep in mind, the refund process isn't as straightforward as some other VPN providers. So if you're someone who values customer service, it might not be the best option. Next, Voxility VPN's customer support is decent, but not exceptional. If you run into issues, you'll be able to reach support through live chat or email, but their response times might be slower than competitors like ExpressVPN, who have a reputation for 24/7 fast support. The eighth thing to note is encryption. Voxility uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is industry standard and secure. This means your data is highly protected, but again, this is similar to what many other VPNs, including NordVPN and CyberGhost, offer as well. The ninth thing is that Voxility VPN can work with Netflix and other streaming services, but you may encounter occasional difficulties accessing certain libraries due to its smaller server network. Larger VPNs, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, are often better equipped to reliably access various streaming content from different countries. The 10th thing is that Voxility doesn't offer a built-in kill switch on all its platforms, which is something you'll want to keep in mind if security is your top priority. A kill switch will cut your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, ensuring you don't accidentally expose your data. The 11th thing is that Voxility VPN does not offer a free plan, but you get what you pay for in terms of security. While it's not a free VPN, it does provide better overall security than some free VPNs that are known for selling user data to third parties. Lastly, Voxility VPN works well for most general use cases, but if you're looking for top-tier performance, extra features, or a wider server selection, you might want to explore alternatives like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Voxility VPN is a solid option, especially if you value privacy and don't need the absolute fastest speeds. But if you want a better option with more features and performance, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.